Hi friend, welcome with new topic which is where we use passive voice and active voice. Passive voice or active voice bumung charte simlo. First usage musara. We use passive voice when we talk politely. Kalamu narme sara khabara ko. For example, sir you made a mistake. It's very bad to say. No mungbo sanga shu. Sir, a mistake was made. Sir, galati washwala. So it is the best way to say and to convert the active voice into passive voice. Another usage of passive voice when the subject is unknown. Kala musara जुमले के यो कॉर कहोने वाला मालूम नहीं अगले paramunga passive voice मिलावेशो. Example: My car was stolen. जमा गाड़ा पटकड़ले शो. दिसरा मुंसा subject pata nashta. Or bal example bala sentence de musara when we hide the name of the person. Kala chimu the you kor kauni wala nama mention nuk. Example: Imran Khan was arrested. Imran Khan गिरफ्तार कड़ले शो. नदता मु यो कस nama na mention को.